I remember the first time Jupiter filled my visor. No ground, only churning storms. Today you and I are going in. There's no surface to land on, just an ocean of sky that never ends. How long would we last? What would we feel? Jupiter's a riddle wrapped in thunder. So let's find out the answer together. Ready? Deep breath. We don't jump onto Jupiter, we fall into it. This is infinite theory, where we don't just ask, what if, we live it. Here's what happens when we fall into Jupiter, step by relentless step. Strap in, I'll guide you through the descent. With a normal spacesuit, our story would end before it begins. Radiation near Jupiter would tear through you long before the clouds. You wouldn't even make it to the planet. About 300,000 kilometers out, Jupiter's radiation belts turn lethal. They'd punch through your suit and your systems in moments. But this isn't that story. We've got a custom suit, radiation-hardened, pressure-proof, for one impossible fall. Think probe-grade shielding, layered fields, and a reinforced shell wrapped around you. Now the real chapter begins. We slip into the top of the atmosphere at nearly 180,000 kilometers an hour. Faster than any Earth dive, Jupiter's gravity grips harder. The sun still glows above, small and cold, as if we left warmth behind. 250 kilometers down, ammonia clouds. The suit frosts, the air bites at minus 150. Then the winds find us, bands roaring to nearly 500 kilometers an hour. Jupiter spins so fast that day itself is a blur, 9.5 Earth hours. We pass the depth where Galileo once called home, for a heartbeat, before it was crushed. We keep falling, our story goes deeper. Light fades, color drains, the world turns to thunder. Lightning is our only lighthouse, strobing through black walls of cloud. HUD flickers, readings go wild. Heat creeps back into the suit, almost cozy, if not for the crush building around us. Every breath is a measurement. Pressure climbs past 1,000 Earths. Meters spike, seals groan. Every meter down is heavier than the last. Visibility, 0. Calm, static. Only engineering and stubborn hope hold this shell together like a deep-sea sub. We keep sinking. Hours spool out. 12 pass. The storm becomes routine, then background. You try the radio anyway, out of habit, out of hope. Silence answers. Inside Jupiter, rescue is a fairy tale. Radio waves drown here, swallowed by the heavy air. No call gets out, so we keep falling. Heat climbs, pressure follows. The atmosphere thickens into something stranger, neither liquid nor gas, flowing like both. We swim through a supercritical sea, weightless and weighted all at once. The fluid isn't gas or liquid, it's both, everywhere. Temperatures rage upward, driving towards something stellar, like brushing the sun. Then pressure stacks, merciless. 2 million Earth pressures squeeze the world into something new. Metallic hydrogen begins to bloom around us. It gleams like liquid metal, dense and inescapable. We push through it, slowly. Kilometers stretch to thousands. Somewhere below, a core waits, fact or myth, and we're about to find out. Some say the heart of Jupiter could be solid. Others say it's a pressurized dream, crystal, ice, or slurry. Under this weight, matter forgets its rules. We come as close as any traveler can, and still, Jupiter keeps a secret. If we survived all this, we wouldn't climb back out. The pressure would hold us, a bookmark in Jupiter's endless book. Maybe that's the point. Some mysteries are meant to be watched, not won. Until the next descent, keep the infinite theory stories close. They make good company in the dark.